He's one of the suspected shooters in the deadly mass shooting that claimed the life of a 20-year-old woman. Today, a judge ruled there is enough evidence for Imhotep Davis to stand trial in the murder of Carly Wood. I'm Quinicia Fraser.
Good evening. I'm Bill Shammer. The shooting happened in November. Wood shot 8 times was killed while attending a birthday party near 33rd and Ames just before Thanksgiving.
The victim's family was in court during Davis's preliminary hearing today. KETV Newswatch 7's Jessica Perez joins us live with their message. Jessica?
Yeah, hey guys, Imhotep Davis will stand trial for 7 counts that he faces, including second-degree murder for the death of Carly Wood. Wood's family says that while they are glad to see him behind bars, they still hope other people are held responsible. Just 2 months before what would have been Carly Wood's 21st birthday, a judge rules Imhotep Davis will stand trial in her murder. But Wood's mother says the case is far from over.
There's other guns in that room, and there's other people that had guns and other people that shot my daughter.
Court documents show Imhotep Davis's gun was one of 4 fired at the party. It also says 2 bullets found in Wood's body are consistent with the gun that had Davis's DNA on it. The gun had the mixed DNA of 4 people on it. Davis's lawyer did not want to comment on the hearing, but argued no one ever saw Davis pointing a gun and lighting in the area was dim. Wood's mom says listening to the details in court was hard for her, but the worst was seeing Davis.
It's hard for me to see someone who continually breaks the law and gets second chances, third chances, fourth chances, and they're breathing. And I don't ever get to see my daughter again.
Autumn Wood, one of Carly's older sisters, says the family expects the trial to be a long and emotional one, but they plan to be there no matter how long it drags on.
If that's what it takes to get some justice, that's what we're going to do.
The Wood family hopes people don't forget Carly's name or her story, and her mom says she is actively working to support legislation to keep guns out of the hands of convicted felons.
It could be anybody's grandchild, daughter, son, doesn't matter, and it happens too much.
The court documents also showed that Tyvel Davis's DNA was also found on the gun, showing that he likely handled it. He also faces charges in this mass shooting. Jessica Perez, KTV Newswatch 7.